स्काई होम के ऑफिशियल चैनल पे आप लोग का स्वागत। स्काई होम अभी है सोबा रियल्टर्स के ऑफिस में। जैसा कि आप लोग मेरे जस्ट सामने में देख रहे हैं सोबा सेंट्रल, ये प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में मेरे साथ में सबना मैम है जो कि पूरा ही एक्सप्लेन करेगी प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में। सबसे पहले मैम वंस अगेन मैम थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग टू माय चैनल। एंड मैम ये जो प्रोजेक्ट है मैम सोबा का, आप मैम इसको थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन कर पाओ अच्छे से, क्योंकि हमारी ऑडियंस थोड़े अच्छे से समझ पाई।
See, real estate is all about location, location, location. When I talk about Shobha, it's all about quality, quality, and quality. The charm about this project, Shobha Central, is that it is very well connected. It is on the Sheikh Zayed Road. As you know, Sheikh Zayed is the heartbeat of the entire commuting system of Dubai. This project is located on Sheikh Zayed Road with easy access to two metro stations. The Red Line metro station is existing, so it has an easy access. The nearest community is JLT, Jumeirah Lake Towers. Across the road is Dubai Marina, which is also one of the esteemed community. Soba Central will be one of the tallest residential building. You can see the beauty of the glass facade. It will be 75 floors, 70 floors and 68 floors. It has 6 towers connected to it. I'll just take you around.
Yes ma'am.
This has a common podium, and below what you see is a mall. So there is a Soba Central Mall. All the basic amenities which you require will be here. For your information, the retails inside is also for sale. Here have a common podium where you kept all the modern amenities. In this project, you have 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom apartments. Starting price 1.7 million onwards. You will be having a very convenient plan where you'll be paying 60% during construction. So it's 20% and then the easy flow of payment plan. You'll have a gap of 3 months to make each installment. 40% on handover. The delivery for this project will be Q4 year 2029. You can think about this property, and I can vouch upon that no other developer can give you a better quality than Shobha. Thank you.
मैम जस्ट फॉर वन क्वेश्चन मैम, कैन बी मैम कनेक्टिविटी की अगर मैं बात करूँ मैम, नियरेस्ट आसपास में कौन कौन से हॉस्पिटल्स है, कॉलेजेस है?
German Hospital is very close to this project. Neurospinal Emirates Hospital is close by. The entire Knowledge Village is very close to this project. If you see, this is on the Sheikh Zayed Road. So few kilometers, you will see that the Knowledge Village is here. So colleges are there, hospitals are there, metro is there, and you also have very high-end villa communities. So Emirates Hills, Jumeirah Park, Jumeirah Island. It's been surrounded by high-end villa community. It's a very posh location.
मैम वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन मैम, what will be return ROI, what will be generate?
See, the net return for such kind of luxury project on an average will be 8% net return. So the rental yield for a 1-bedroom will not be less than 120 to 130,000 dirham per annum. So that.
Thank you ma'am, thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.